Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how's it going? How's it doing? What's it going on? If you're here today, you are in the right place. Ding. I am Sarah, and I'm so excited to see you guys here back again. If this is your first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you want, hit that bell notification, and you'll get notified every time I post a video. Today, we are going to be doing something that has been a struggle for many people, including myself. I cannot figure out how to do a cut crease. So if that's what you're interested in, you want to see me turn from this. So again, today we are going to be doing a cut crease. That has just, I will insert the clip below for my Instagram story of me attempting to do a cut crease. It was kind of cute. So when you try and do a cut crease for the first time, it does not turn out good. Oh man, cut creases are hard. Especially on my eyelids, like, ooh. I have to watch more tutorials. It's not a fun look. But again, so this is called one of my Learn With Me series. So this is something that you will see periodically because there will be new trends that are coming up and new things. So unfortunately, a lot of the cut crease videos that I did find on YouTube were like, oh look, here's how already if you know how to do a cut crease, but then it's just using the shadows to make that cut crease color. That's not what I need. I can make the eyeshadow concept, I can blend that out for the gods. I need someone literally to walk me through where to find my crease, where I need to put it. That has been the struggle for many people, and so I found this amazing video. It is by Makeup by Michael Finch, and the title is Watch This If You Struggle with a Cut Crease, and I will link it down below. But I will literally just be listening to his tutorial and doing it on myself. Now, he already has, well, he doesn't have foundation on, but he's already got his transition colors underneath. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick off camera, and then you will see me do the rest. All right, so I've thrown on basically the whole bottom corner of, well, these 5 purples and pinks, all the purples and pinks on, and I will list the colors below in the order that I did, and we'll go from there. So this is how he's starting. He doesn't have any under eye, that's why I didn't do anything under my eye either. He does have a slight bake, although I think he used a piece of tape. So I just threw a little bit of powder under there because I'm gonna be using a shimmer color. So that's what you need to do. So let's find out what he does. Okay, so the trick is, so I did it while he was talking, so he put the concealer on. He's getting a little tacky. He's just using a flat brush. I'm gonna be going ahead and using my Morphe brush, my flat angle brush, just cause, yeah. So what he does is he takes the concealer on both sides of the brush, doop, 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 and he paints it all along the bottom of here. So as I'm only gonna probably be doing a half cut crease. It looks like he's doing a full cut crease. I'm gonna be going just as far as, as I hit my dark. And so he says the trick is to literally just look up. Wow, that's high. No wonder I couldn't do it. Feels super awkward doing it like this. But yeah, so that's as far high as I need to do a cut crease, which I would have never, ever have gone that high. Now I know I have slight hooded eyes, but holy moly. So again, go ahead and do the other side. This is really awkward. I bet there's gonna be some great faces. Holy moly, I would have never have guessed to have gone that high. Holy moly, okay. So basically now I know what to do and how to fill it in, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in really quick, and then we'll go from there. Holy moly, people. That's all, we can blend that. Okay, so I guess now we will just go in with our shimmer color and pat it on and kind of finish the rest of it. Woo! That was easy. Much easier than I thought it was gonna be. Good. I'm gonna go in with the color Artistry and I'm gonna put it on all over. It's this gorgeous purple. It's this gorgeous purple and this sparkly purple. I'm gonna go ahead and just give my brush a little spritz and go ahead and pack that on the brush. Okay, so I'm shook at this. I cannot believe it worked so well on something so easy that I wish someone would have told me this earlier. So now I'm actually just gonna go in. For my personal liking, I went too far with the concealer. So I'm just gonna go in and kind of try and merge the two as much as I can. So now this color is not going to smudge or move or anything like that. That is just mind-boggling. So I'm gonna go ahead in and throw in this other, I'm gonna throw in Sister. Yeah, ooh, all right. So I'm gonna do Sister and just a couple dabs into Literally and throw that right on top of the rest of what I didn't color in with the purple. Well, that's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna smoke at the bottom, and I will be right back. All right, so now that I went through, I've used the same colors over and over again. So what I did is I did kind of an ombre color on the cut crease part. So I kind of took the Artistry and Escape on the very edge and kind of blended those two together since I had already used Escape earlier. And then I went in with just Artistry alone and did right here. And then I used basically Literally in between here, Literally and Sister a little bit. Mix those two for the third color. And the very, very final color on the corner is Ringlight. So now that I have done that, and I also just smoked out the bottom and added a little bit of blush and a little bit of highlighter. I might add some more highlighter. I'm kind of feeling this purple highlighter today. I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna try, nope, I'm just gonna do what I normally do. I was gonna try something different, but I already did that today. I don't need to do it again. I'm gonna go ahead and just put some black eyeliner pencil on the bottom of my lash line on the bottom. I only do about halfway. So now that I have put that eyeliner on, I am going to throw on some liquid eyeliner and some lashes, and I will be right back. All right, now that I did that, holy moly, lashes. Ha! Last and final thing, to complete this look, I don't want to go super, super dramatic with the lips. My eyes are speaking for themselves today. Well, actually, two more things. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. Yeah, right? Abu Dhabi. I was right. Okay, Abu Dhabi. These lipsticks, lip backs, whatever they are, literally smell like freaking birthday cake. Yum. from the Northern Lights palette, the Northern Lights Jeffree Star palette, and re-hit my highlight points because I can. I'm actually going to throw a little bit underneath my brow bone. And a little bit above, just because I can, and no one else will see that. I'm going to throw a little bit more, just a bit on my nose and a little bit on my cupid's bow. Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. All right, you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. I am so thankful for you guys for learning how to do this with me. If you learned something, drop a comment below and throw a thumbs up just for giggles and fun. I just want to leave with an attitude of gratitude. So just blessings, blessings, blessings on you guys, and just thank you so much. And again, don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't, and hit that little bell notification because I'll be coming at you twice a week, y'all. You can find me on any other social media, either under Sarah Anseth or on Instagram as That Lazy Keto Mom. I am so thankful for you guys, and have a great week.